Ayo, Miss Ana, pag Valentine's Day, anong binibenta po ang hugis puso?
Cake.
Cake. Miss Marina? Ganyan, ganyang hugis.
Kanin.
Kanin! Okay yan ha. Extra rice pero heart shape. Judy?
Necklace.
Necklace. Josh, pag Valentine's Day, anong binibenta ang hugis puso or heart-shaped? Final answer there. 3 seconds.
Necklace, locket.
Necklace, locket, or jewelry. Sabihin natin jewelry. Nandiyan ba yung survey? Wala! O, tignan natin yung na-miss out. Everybody, number 6. Not. Number 5. Pillows. Montik na. Malapit na sa stuffed toy yan. And number 3 ay cake.